StackMan is a riveting tool for exploring themes such as change and process optimization. Inspire your group with this challenge. At first, the delegates must learn how to put StackMan together, initially with the aid of the instructions. Then, the group must find a way to assemble StackMan without the instructions, and to do it as quickly as possible. Every delegate must contribute at least one element to the construction. When the delegates are ready, they can start. Will the group manage to do it within 1 minute? In order to further optimize the process, the roles must be assigned. Who will facilitate? Who will hold what? When will it be placed? With clear communication and facilitation, some groups manage to assemble StackMan in less than 20 seconds. StackMan is a versatile tool and can be used in a wide range of situations. For example, it's ideal for such themes as communication, change, or also process optimization. A facilitator can play an important role by maintaining the overview and motivating the group. This way, leadership skills and team spirit contribute to the success of the exercise. StackMan is ideal for small and medium-sized groups. Large groups can be split into individual teams to work on their own StackMan.